This is gonna be something, guys. Hey guys, it's Domino and I'm at Drumeo. And I don't know why I accepted this, but the team here wants me to learn a song that I've never heard before. And I'm scared because they are all laughing right now in the booth. So we'll discover the song together. And yeah, hopefully everything will work out well. Yeah, hopefully. Okay. I never played this. I don't even know what it is. Damn it. That's the reason why you installed me double pedal at first, right? It's gonna be funny. I know that part, I think. But I don't know if it's... Yeah, this is gonna be something, guys. As you may have noticed in my multiple faces that I just did while listening to the song, I don't know the song, but I just asked them. It's Before I Forget by Slipknot, and it's a good song. Seriously, like I would listen to this, but I'm sorry for all the fans out there. Not my fans, I mean Slipknot fans. I don't know the song, but I'm here and I do not in life take myself too seriously, so it's perfect. I don't mind, okay? Like, I'm assuming there's drum here, you know?
Stable shines inside and outside, one and sealed in tight. But some are running claustrophobic, closing in and out. Catastrophic, not again. Spit quite the pain and doesn't gasoline. I'm wearing you like a stain. Yeah, I'm the one in the scene. Catch me up on all your sordid little insurrections. I've got no time to lose. I'm just caught up in all the cattle. Bravest dreams, further shapes. I want you to grab and listen. I am a world before I am a man. I was a creature before I could stand. I will remember before I forget. I'm ready to crack the ditch and settle in the dirt. I'll wear you like a stitch. Yeah, I'm the one who's burned. Pay attention to your twisted little indiscretions. I've got no right to win. I'm just caught up in all the battle. Bravest dreams, further shapes. Hold your breath and listen. I am a world before I am a man. I was a creature before I could stand. I will remember before I forget.
Okay, so, yeah, I'm trying to hear. The first time I play the verse close hi-hat, but I feel like this isn't right. I feel like it lacks in terms of energy in the verse, so I decided to go open hats. And then for the intro, I'm assuming that there is kind of like a high tom, floor tom beat there. So I'm trying to do something that I managed to play here for the intro, and this pattern is kind of coming back 3 times, I think, in the song. I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly where, but it's coming back. And yeah, the intro also is like, you have the intro pattern, and then there's like some punches, and then it's again like this kind of pattern, I think. I think. I'm hoping that this is the right thing to play. So yeah, I think I'm here right now. For the bridge, there's kind of like two, like kind of bridge and a breakdown. After that, I feel like this is the right way of explaining this. The bridge, I tried on the ride, but I don't feel like this is the right thing to play on the ride. So I think I'm gonna try another thing. But again, it's probably not that. Don't judge me. I'm just doing my best here.
Do you want to do one more take from
Yes,
the top?
yes.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna be shining. Let's do this. Mistakes there, but okay, so now after me doing my best to improvise parts that aren't the original one, I know, guys, we are actually going to listen. I'm going to listen to the original part. I'm really excited about this. So go ahead, guys. I'm ready now. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, that's so cool! Damn it. This is so much fun to play. I had this kind of... Okay. makes more sense. I didn't have this. I'm like, I didn't do the right accent. Oh, okay, yeah, makes sense. It's way more cool. Yeah. Yes. That's the reason why they installed me a double pedal. Yeah, way better. Way better, these parts. Thank you guys for making me play this, but now I want to learn the actual parts. Yeah, thanks. It was fun. So guys, if you want to learn the actual real drum parts of this song, you can find the sheet music on Drumeo. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing as you. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I had so much fun playing this song. I think that I'm gonna play it again, but the real part this time. So take care and see you soon for another video. Bye.